Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to private my activity profile in OK app. So here in the OK app, to make your activity private profile right here, all we need to do right now is click on three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner, or you can just swipe to the left, but I prefer just pressing on the bottom right corner and the three lines. More fun. Then click on the settings on the top right corner, the settings icon. Oopsie, wait, there you go. After that, right there, you will see here below private business profile. You will see privacy. Press on the privacy. After pressing on the privacy, you'll be looking at your privacy. Now you can make it private. Now my activity feed, you can make it friends only. And here my age, no one. My partner, you can make it friends only. You can go make it friends only. Make friends only. My music, no one, no one, no one. My holiday, friends only. My games application, no one. Here you go. Tag in post, you can add no one, no one, no one, no one, no one. There we go. And here, display me online users. You can close that off there. Go close that there. Close that there. And then here on the last one is what is enable filter for obscene language. Close that right there. As you can see right now, we are very private on our activity here at OK app. And if you want to turn it back on, just turn it down like that. And you can arrange this, customize it as what you want. So yeah, there you go. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and then we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible here at Guide Glimpse. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.